How to favorite gifs on Discord. For this, go ahead and open your Discord application and make sure you are logged into your Discord. Select a server or a direct message. To send a GIF, go ahead and tap on the emoticon icon and select GIFs. From all of this category, select a GIF that you want to send. Now wait until your gift is sent. You can press and hold on to your GIF and add a reaction on it. If not, tap on your GIF and then tap on React. From this way as well, you'll be able to favorite or GIF or react on it. For an example, I've added this heart icon right here. You can also download your GIFs. For that, tap on it, then tap on the three dot, then tap on Save. Your favorite GIF will be added to your gallery. Now you don't have to search for your GIF here and there because you can directly post it from your gallery itself. We hope Discord comes up with an update in which we will be able to favorite our GIF in a separate folder or a section. Till then, go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.